How to create an Uber driver account. Hey everyone, if you're looking to start earning with Uber, the first step is setting up your driver account. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've downloaded the Uber Driver app on your phone. If you haven't yet, grab it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and you'll land on the welcome screen. Tap Continue to begin setting up your account. You can create your account using Apple ID, Facebook, Google, or by entering your phone number or email address. Choose the option that works best for you, then hit Continue. If you use an email or phone number, Uber will send you a verification code. Close the app briefly, check your inbox or messages for the code, then return to enter it. Double check for typos. Next, fill in your location and add a referral code if you have one. This can unlock bonuses. Tap Next to proceed. And that's it. You're now registered as an Uber driver. Once your documents are approved, you can start accepting rides. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more.